Hello from sunny Central Florida. Today is November the 4th or the 5th, 2025, and I'm just now taking down the rest of the Puerto Rican black beans. You can see them all on the ground. I'm doing a chop and drop. They were all along here. If you see any of the previous videos of the Puerto Rican black beans that almost took over my entire food forest, but I'm finally getting it out of this poor papaya tree. It completely was up in there and just took over this papaya tree. Anyways, as I'm tearing it down, look at this on this leaf. I'm almost afraid to look in there. I have no idea. It's like cotton, kind of foamy. Whoops. Kind of foamy. Some kind of little creature cocoon. I've never seen anything like it in my life. If anybody knows what that is. Oh my goodness, it is the freakiest looking little thing. It is on the back side of this Puerto Rican black bean leaf. There's only one. That's the first one I've ever come across in my entire life. Yes, all this mass of Puerto Rican black bean was all up in there. I had to yank it to get it all down. And yes, I just seen this. I don't know what that is. If anybody has a clue what that is, I would love to know. I don't want to touch it. It looks like, I don't know how close I can get with this phone. It looks, yeah, it's not gonna, I can't get it to like, it looks like it has a bunch of little eggs inside of it. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my goodness, look at this tiny little, oh, he's gone. I don't know what that is. I don't know if I should leave it alone, if it's a wonderful part of nature, or if it's something destructive. Please, if you know what that is, tell me in the comments. Please, please, please. Yeah, this is the very last of the Puerto Rican black beans. And I've been getting those out of there. I still have to get it off of my mulberry tree. As you can see, the mulberry tree is like this because it's just loaded in Puerto Rican black beans. So you can see some hanging. Yes, and there it is. You know, things are dying down. Oh, I will show you my Barbados cherry tree has been non-stop pumping out these beautiful cherries for like the past month, and they're still coming up. They're still green. The birds have been eating them. We've been eating them. Oh, I love it. I'm saving them up because there's 3 seeds in them. They're not like your normal grocery store cherries. I'm saving them, I'm freezing them, and what I plan on doing is making a jelly out of them, like a jam, a preserve. I'm gonna try. Ooh, and I just see some, finally my papayas are turning yellow. Yes, and just a quick little update on the newest little bed. It is starting to flatten down nice. Very nice, slowly but surely. So come spring or summer, this will be nice. Yes. And there you have it. So coming into the winter, things are dying out. All my shampoo ginger, you can see, it's starting to all fall over. It's done for the year. So it's just papayas. Look at the papaya. Oh, I gotta pick those today. The chickens will be happy. They haven't had any in a while. They absolutely love papaya. That is why I have probably about 20 papaya trees. See them way back there? There's some over there. There's some way over there. And there's, I don't want to swing around too fast. There's one there, and there's a bunch more in the backyard. There is the little banana tree that has a beautiful rack of bananas on it on the other side. As you can see, it grows in all shade. I planted it there 2 years ago just for a little test, and I left it alone. It took 2 years, but in 2 years, it produced a wonderful rack of bananas. So I'm hoping that'll be ready in another month or so. So there you go. Anyways, one last look. Oh, the marvels of nature is amazing. Let me know if you know what that is. See ya.